In a global world, our life is closely related to our neighbors in other countries. Concern for our neighbors has led to greater concern for the future of our children and for leaving a cleaner environment for future generations. Smidth AirTech is part of the biggest industrial group in Denmark. We've supplied filters for air pollution control for more than 50 years. For the last 10 years, we've supplied an increasing number of process fabric filters for industry all over the world. Air pollution is often quite visible and is an obvious source of concern for the health of near and distant communities around an industrial company. Production companies today take their responsibility for a clean environment seriously, and luckily technical solutions are available for achieving clean production. Installation of equipment for de-dusting of waste gases from an industrial plant is often a costly task. Besides the initial cost, the owner has to pay for the daily operation of the installation. Therefore, it's important that you understand your precise needs before a decision is taken on what sort of filter to install. According to the European Commission, electrostatic precipitators or fabric filters are recommended. Electrostatic precipitators have been the industry standard for more than 50 years, but nowadays, with increased concern on environmental issues, fabric filters have gained market share. ESPs and fabric filters can be designed to the same outlet dust emission, but in the event that the authorities place demands for no dust at any time being emitted to the atmosphere, then fabric filters are the only choice. A fabric filter system has 4 major advantages. First, and most important of all, a reliable filter which will not force you to stop your production due to failures in the fabric filter. Secondly, a long bag lifetime which keeps bag replacement costs low. Thirdly, low daily power consumption. And finally, easy maintenance at low cost. A fabric filter is, in principle, a very simple concept, where dust-loaded gas is sucked through a piece of cloth. But in real life, the problem is to distribute the gas evenly inside the fabric filter in order to distribute the dust evenly on all the bags. The FLS fabric filter has a unique gas distribution. In our process filters, there are sets of gas distribution screens guiding the gas into the bag chamber with a downward flow. This flow pattern reduces the wear from dust on the bags, and the dust is automatically led to the bottom hopper, where it's removed from the filter. The fabric filter has dampers at the inlet, and at the outlet. This means that a compartment can be taken out of operation for maintenance while the plant is running. A compartment can be cleaned while gas is going through the compartment or while the compartment is isolated from the gas stream. Now we come to the bags and cages, a very important point for the operational reliability of the filter. The bags must be supported so that mechanical wear is eliminated. This means that the bags must hang vertically without touching those next to them, and the cloth material must have a minimum of contact points with the cage. Precise vertical position of the cage is only possible when the tube sheet is horizontal and has a plane surface. With the FLS design, a plain surface will be maintained for the lifetime of the filter. The cages are supported directly on the tube sheet, meaning that when the tube sheet is horizontal, the cages will hang exactly vertical. In operation, the bag will be pressed into contact with the cage. The support for the stringers in the cage in the FLS design is made of a wave ring. This means that the cloth is not in contact with the ring and is only supported in a smooth bend along the vertical stringers. Wear on the bag is minimized. We produce our own filter bags. This ensures that the bags have exactly the right dimensions for fitting on the cages and results in low bag wear. Cleaning of bags must be gentle but efficient. The FLS cleaning system is very carefully designed, with all components, pneumatic valves, header tank, blast pipes, holes in blast pipes, venturis and various distances interacting in order to distribute compressed air to all bags with the same intensity. The FLS Smart Controller takes care of operation and surveillance of the complete installation, and it keeps track of any malfunction of dampers, valves, pressure and so on. Our supply program includes filters for minor venting systems and large process applications. Though we also provide external dust transportation, heat exchangers and fans. But whether plant is large or small, FL Smidth works to the same purpose, to enable industry and the environment to be good neighbors.